Alright guys, we found a hidden gem in Ellenwood, Georgia. And it's Ellenwood Race Pay to Play. We got a whole nice track out here. And Carly's about to try it out. Carly, which car are you picking? So guys, you can rent the car. I think it's, how much is it, $25? 25 to rent it, or you can bring your own car. So we're gonna rent one for the first time to see how you like it. If you like it, we'll go ahead and buy one. How often are you out here?
7 days a week.
7 days a week.
We race mainly on the weekend.
Okay. Carly, watch what he's doing so you can learn how to repair your stuff instead of tearing it apart. Carla, which one did you pick?
This one?
That one? You think you're gonna win today in this race?
I never raced a race before.
You haven't? This your first time?
Yeah.
Nice.
I had one of these before, but never.
Okay.
I'm kind of choosing the blue because blue is my favorite color, kind of.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Squeeze this to go. You know, you press this one to go backwards. You know, this left, this left. Try to go slow. All the way to the front. Barely squeeze it like this. And you can drive.
Carla, your car fast.
You can steer.
How fast do they go?
Don't squeeze it, just barely squeeze it. Probably like 20. Just barely squeeze. You got it.
I can't tell which one I'm
Oh, that's
going.
how you control it?
Yeah.
Dad, them mosquitoes tore you up. Yes. There you go. There you go. Bring it on home. There you go.
They got a jump?
Good job, good job.
you. Focus.
Looking at the wrong car.
Yeah.
You gotta go get it.
Girl, follow.
I never drove the RC car before.
It's okay. You. That's how you learn. Just do it. You're doing good. Just come on. Just keep coming.